my fellow crafters. Today we're back with another new craft. And this craft is going to be a finger craft. It's going to be like a finger puppet. We're going to make finger puppets out of paper. So what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to draw a simple thing, like, I don't know. Ooh. Something just big and round. Like that, I don't know. Give it like a tie. You could do whatever you want. And I'm just gonna, I don't know, make like a person. Just like make whatever you can make whatever you want, but it has to be big because like your fingers are gonna be like go right there. So make like a little rectangular box. Like, see, that's my picture right there. I'm gonna need to like get rid of. I'm gonna make like a little rectangular box. Put in some circles because that's finger holes where your fingers are gonna go. And you're gonna need to. Then you're gonna pants. Okay. Then you're gonna need to cut this out with some scissors. Okay. Scissors. Okay, cut it out. Cut. Cut. If you have any suggestions for like any craft you want me to do, please put it in the comments down below. And I will respond if you put a comment down below. Please put a comment, and please don't forget to subscribe. It will be really fantastic if you subscribe. I will do a giveaway if you subscribe. So please subscribe. Okay. So once you're done with that, once you're done with cutting, you need to fold it like where the crease like your thing is. So you're gonna need to cut that out. Ooh, cut it out. Circles can be tricky. Okay. Okay, once you're done cutting out, you'll have something like this. And you'll have some kind of circle. Your circle will probably be better than mine, but that's okay if it's better. Okay, you try like this. Then all you're gonna need to do is stick these two fingers. See your fingers? Your hand is right here. You're gonna need these two fingers. So you're gonna have to put them through here. With a puppet. And you could always make, if it doesn't fit, always make it a bigger section if they don't fit. Depends on how big your finger is. Okay, once you're done, you should have something like this. Mine is kind of too small, but that's okay. See, so then you can walk it around. And it's a puppet. See? La 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 la. And there you go. That's how you have a finger puppet. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.